In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall TikTok Lite app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are two ways you can use to permanently uninstall or remove TikTok Lite app from your smartphone. In the first method, just go to your phone and open your apps. If you go to your apps, identify your app and just long press on it, and you should see now you have an option to uninstall. This is the straightforward way to permanently remove the app from your smartphone. However, if you don't have this option, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store. From here, search for your app. So I'll just search for TikTok Lite like that. And if I run my search, you can see we have our app here. If I open it, we have an option to uninstall. So by typing on uninstall and then confirming here, the app will be removed from my smartphone permanently. So it means any other time I'll wish to have it, I'll have to install it afresh. Now, if I go back to my apps, you can see we no longer have TikTok Lite app. So that's how you can permanently uninstall TikTok Lite app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.